In this video, I'll show you how to delete hidden posts on your Facebook page step by step. Before we begin, it's important to know that if a post has only been hidden or archived, it still exists on your page until you delete it. To permanently remove it, you'll need to locate the post and delete it. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Open Professional Dashboard, Activity Log, or Meta Business Suite, depending on your page type and app version. Navigate to your archived posts, hidden posts, or content section and locate the post you want to remove. Tap the post to open it. Then tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Delete Post and confirm your choice when prompted. Once deleted, the post will be permanently removed from your Facebook page and cannot be restored. If you don't see a hidden or archived post section, check your activity log or manage your page content through Meta Business Suite, where additional post management tools may be available. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.